North Wash flows south into Lake Powell in southern Utah. It's a canyoneering destination with a number of high-quality canyon tributaries conveniently located right next to Highway 95. One short half-day canyon is Hogwarts, named as a play on words due to its proximity to Hog Spring rest area. Park at the rest area, then cross the North Wash stream and head up canyon for a couple of minutes. You exit very soon, climbing a fault-line groove to the side of the first southern tributary. Just a few minutes up the Hog Spring trail. There's a side canyon on the left. We're going to scramble up the crack or groove to the left. Top of the gully here. A well-trodden trail leads up to the crest of a ridge. The watershed looking down back to the road. And quickly descends to the head of Hogwarts. And here's Hogwarts, very short. Hogwarts is described in Dave Pimentel's mini slot guide and actually features as the front cover photo. We're now at the head of the canyon. This is Page Sandstone. Thank you, Road Trip Ryan, for that confirmation. You can already see the Navajo, just a different shade just beneath us. We'll work around a couple of dry falls and hit the first rappel. For the first drop, there's a new bolt drilled. This boulder already has webbing on it. It's a short canyon and well suited to beginner canyoneers with experienced leaders. The rappels are straightforward and the canyon holds a mini pothole to add to the adventurous tale. A short stroll leads to the next obstacle. And at the end of that little corridor we have a beautiful rappel down below an arch.
It looks good, pretty new.
The highlight of the canyon is the second rappel under a natural bridge into a large chamber. Rappel 2 is just under 20 metres, about 60 foot. This is a beautiful spot where your group will dwell a while, gazing at the majestic chamber beneath the natural bridge. Next obstacle has an anchor way up high on the right. For a bit of a keeper pothole, maybe it's just a semi-keeper, it's dry. So this is the down climb into the keeper. And it will be pretty easy just to stem over the top of it. It's not easy to get our 5-year-old over, so we'll go in. Perfect. Okay, we are in the pothole.
And it's a keeper semi-circle. Semi-keep. Anyway.
Melissa has Dunlop volleys, which were the shoe of choice in Australia, Blue Mountains Canyons, but volleys are far more cheaper material nowadays than they did around the 90s and 2000, but Melissa has done very well there.
Did you stand on any pictures?
Not very graceful, but
Yeah, well done.
Did you stand on any pictures?
no, they're still there for the next people.
After the semi-keeper is a small pool with a very convenient ledge, allowing canyoneers to stay dry with some simple bridging and stemming. And then there's an anchor out at the right, a little bit of an exposed traverse, so we'll have Ryan on a tether. Our 40-metre rope just reaches this ledge here. It's just a 100-yard stroll to the final drop. At the last drop, there's a big flake of rock here. That's the anchor, and long tape that takes it to the edge. The final rappel is just under 30 metres, 90 foot. Most of the rappel is free hanging. Pack up your rope and harness, then wander back up the highway to your vehicle at Hog Spring. Hogwarts is a fun, short, technical canyon conveniently located right next to Highway 95.